Today, Southern Gardening is at the MSU South Mississippi Branch Experiment Station in Poplarville, Mississippi, where an impressive collection of ColorBlaze Coleus is putting on a show. Let's take a closer look at these standout varieties. Royale Pineapple Brandy is a true attention grabber with its bright chartreuse-yellow foliage and deep burgundy veins. The scalloped and textured leaves seem to glow, making this compact, well-branched coleus a brilliant choice for garden beds. It typically grows 18 to 24 inches tall and wide, offering bold contrast and reliable color from spring through fall with minimal care. Next is Wicked Witch, a dramatic variety that features deep burgundy leaves edged in ruffled, bright chartreuse. This upright grower reaches 24 to 36 inches tall, making it ideal for adding height and dark contrast in containers or garden beds. Whether in full sun or shade, Wicked Witch delivers a powerful punch of color and texture that's perfect as a thriller plant. Rounding out the trio is Brighto, a kaleidoscope of color with foliage in vivid shades of magenta, burgundy, lime green, and golden yellow. The elongated, serrated leaves form a bold, colorful display that subtly shifts throughout the season. Growing 24 inches to 36 inches tall and wide, Brighto is a fantastic choice for mass plantings, large containers, or as a colorful focal point in any garden. With their bold foliage, vibrant color, and easy care nature, these coleus varieties are true standouts in the landscape. I'm Eddie Smith, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Southern Gardening.